everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a flying machine, a horizontal flying machine that can go one way and the other way. So let's get started. You will need a slime block or a honey block, your choice. You can only choose one though. An observer, a sticky piston, a regular piston, and obsidian. Let's get started. So, first build 2 blocks up. 1, 2, or 2 or higher. Just 2 or higher. It doesn't matter which one. How high, just 2 or higher. Make sure it's not touching the ground, otherwise it just won't work. Okay. Now place on here, here, and here. So you have this shape. Yeah. And then, actually, wait, sorry. Do it like this. So you have this shape, and then you place a sticky piston here. Then you place an observer. Make sure it's facing the right way. See this face facing this way. And then you place a sticky piston here. Make sure it's a sticky piston. This one's also a sticky piston. And then an observer. Oh wait, sorry, I forgot to tell you, we actually don't need a sticky piston. Anyway, so then you place an observer there. Face is facing this way. Then a slime block here. Another sticky piston here. And do the exact same thing on the other side. So like this, you go this, this, and this. Yeah. And then do this. You place the observer here. Remember, make sure it's in the right way, face facing this way. And then you place another observer right here, like this. And now you place an obsidian block on one side of this slime. Then here, like in front of this slime block, you place it where you want to stop the flying machine. So I want to stop maybe like here. So I'm gonna place it there. To start it, you just update this observer, this one, not the put the pistons pushing, this one, and it will start, and then it will start working. Then you update this observer. All right, and then you update this And then you update this observer. Oh, I'm really sorry, accidentally. So you update this one. Make sure you only update this one and this one. So then you update this observer. Flies this way. Do it again. Flies that way again. And that is how you make a horizontal 2-way flying machine. Thanks for watching. Bye.